Welcome to the installation video of Fishbone Offroad's tailgate table for Jeep's 2018 to current JL Wrangler. Step 1. Open your vehicle's tailgate and begin removing its air vent interior panels by carefully and evenly pulling out its body clips. The installation will be using these 4 mounting points. Step 2. Flip the main panel over. With a tape measure, measure 1 5/8 inches left of the shown plastic rib. Next, measure down 3/8 inches from the shown vent and mark this intersecting point. Step 3. With a drill, drill a pilot hole through the marked point and work your way up to a 9/16 bit. Reinstall the main panel and ensure the drilled hole lines up with the lowest mounting point. Step 4. Open the table and place up against the panel. With 3 of the smaller bolts, washers, and spacers, secure the top 3 holes with a 4mm Allen wrench. Finally, with a larger bolt and washer, secure the bottom hole with a 5mm Allen wrench. Enjoy your new JL tailgate table.